Hey, the structure to you guys getting rich as a barber is you must work for yourself. You can go into a shop and you can work in a shop and you can work for someone to build clients. Once you built those clients, you should be off opening your own shop. And so whether you want to, this is the, there's no percentage, there's no booth rent. You need to have your own place. If there's few different tiers to that situation. You can either cut hair out of your house, you can either cut hair out of a shop, or you can either have a studio. The in between and one of the easiest routes is to have a studio. To go rent a place, that has multiple studios and then go create a little studio in that spot. Typically, that costs you as much as that'll typically cost you as much as booth rent somewhere will. So just say you're booth renting somewhere for $800 a month. You can go into one of those studio settings for $800 a month. They usually have laundry facilities where you can do your towels, you can do all your stuff over there. I would say a big barrier to people knowing that they can do that is, you're not doing your taxes. You're afraid to do your taxes. You don't know how to do your taxes. Look, I'm going to start a coaching program if someone wants to open up a shop, which every single barber that hears this should just go do your own thing. There's a structure for that, and it's really easy. And so imagine paying $800 in booth rent, and you're working for someone else, meaning you're adhering to their shop hours. You might have a stronger, better vision. You're not getting mentorship in that shop. You're showing up to a shop and you're opening someone else's shop that isn't there. If you're in those kind of positions, you might want to open up your own place. If you want to open up your own place, I can do that for you and help you open up your own place and help you devise a plan on how to succeed and pricing and everything else. So, I'm going to have different tiers to my program, meaning if you just need help with your pricing, I can do that. If you need help with the internet, if you need help with the whole package together, I can do that. If you just need help with the taxes, I can also do that. So if you're working in someone's shop and for now and before you're going to get your own spot and you need help with your taxes, I can show you how to start the filing of that. I can get you comfortable with that. I can show you how to do bookkeeping. But I also have a program that comes with everything. And it shows you how to do the bookkeeping. It shows you how to transition into your own shop. If someone wanted to, they could even come into my shop and see how I run it. I can have you there, show you exactly how it's ran and how you're going to open up your shop. And so, if anyone has any interest in doing that and wants to start to make money, look, as a barber, we want to make money. And the only way you're going to make money is doing your own thing. You're not going to get rich in someone else's shop. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but that's just the truth. You're not going to get rich in someone else's shop, but you will get rich in your shop. And I can show you how to do that. And guys, it's quite frankly, it's real easy. And so if you guys have any interest in doing that, reach out to me, direct message me, let me know if you guys are ready to get going on your own, or you just need some mentorship in bettering yourself, or some coaching and just taking yourself to the next level. It's all about getting to the next level, guys. Just take yourself to that next level. Whatever that next level is to you, get yourself there. Starting a YouTube channel, whatever it is. Let's implement different tools to get yourself to that next level, guys. Hey, I appreciate you guys tuning in. And if there's a video you guys want me to make, or there's something you want me to hear, let me know. If you're in the Albuquerque area, stop by. Let's connect. All right. Thank you.